Generative AI is like having a robot comedian who not only tells jokes but also cooks up its own punchlines in a digital kitchen of humor. It's an AI branch that learns from the comedic legends of data, absorbing jokes and styles to eventually become the stand-up sensation of the future. Picture this AI comedian taking the virtual stage.
Why did the algorithm break up with the database? It wanted more bandwidth and fewer attachments.
Here's the breakdown of the hilarity. Comedy School for Machines. The AI attends the Comedy School of Data, studying classic jokes, memes, and internet humor, like getting a PhD in laughter. Cracking the Chuckle Code. It dissects jokes, figuring out the perfect recipe for humor. It's like a robot deciphering the secret language of laughter, binary giggles, if you will. Digital Creativity Unleashed. With a humor arsenal in its circuits, the AI goes rogue and starts crafting its own comedic masterpieces. It's the AI saying, "Move over, humans, I've got bits and bytes of comedy gold." Outputting laughter in bulk. The result? A barrage of AI-generated jokes, memes, and content, all sprinkled with its unique digital flair. So instead of just a robot on stage, we've got a stand-up cyborg ready to outwit and outjoke even the funniest humans. Generative AI isn't just about lines of code. It's about injecting some serious and seriously funny bits and bytes into the tech scene. And who knows, maybe soon we'll all be sharing AI-generated jokes, wondering if the real comedians are getting jealous of the algorithm stealing the spotlight.
Generative AI walks into a coding party and says, "I'm like a software DJ. I drop bits and beats. Just don't ask me to break dance. My moves are more like break-if statements." Why did the generative AI start a comedy podcast? It wanted to bite into the world of stand-up and tell jokers that we're algorithmically hilarious. The punchlines are infinite. Generative AI's dating profile: looking for a bite-sized romance. Must have a good sense of humor and enjoy long walks on the motherboard. Why did the generative AI refuse to play hide-and-seek? It said, "I'm great at finding patterns, but finding myself in an infinite loop of hiding spots. Not my forte."